Um, as you kind of grew and matured the product a little bit, where did those next kind of 100 customers come from?
I think the next step, what happened was I, as part of this MVP thing, or also out of my own interest, one of the other things what I've done during that time was going and speaking in a lot of user groups, because there's a way it says today people don't do that many in-person kind of technical user. It's a kind of a meetups kind of thing. So uh, since I'm based out of London, that gave me a lot of flexibility. Like anywhere in Europe, if somebody is organizing a small user group related to this BizTalk server, I jump in and get an opportunity and go and speak. If there's an opportunity, I'll speak, or at least I will go and attend, because it's just a day trip for me to go everywhere. So I go there, and then every time I go and come back, it's a very small audience. We are not talking about today people spending a lot of time on big events and big booths and nothing of that sort. You just go there, and then you present, and at the end of those 3-4 hours end-to-end meetup, you will come with at least six or seven really qualified leads. You would have had the conversation, and you would have explained the product, and they would have already known what you're doing, and then that slowly built up. That became a kind of a channel where I got the next set of customers. The other thing what happened was the inbound interest. Okay, one type of inbound interest is end customers coming and buying the product. The other kind of inbound interest what I started to get is there are a lot of consulting companies, right? The companies focusing on Microsoft ecosystem. They go and build solutions. Like if you look at, for example, even Accenture, or like a TCS and Infosys, they are big players, but there are also small players. They go and implement solutions for customers. So whoever is working on this Microsoft space, they spotted what I'm doing, and understand the product value for their end customers, and they started to approach me. They wanted to take this product to their customers. It's a classic partnership model, but I didn't. I might have initiated conversation, but a lot of the interest came from inbound, and I built up those channels as well. Today, when we go to later stage, like 500 customers range, nearly 40% of our customers today comes from our partner channels, because we built partners all across the world, and every country, and so they bring a lot of customers. But initial days, even the 100, 500, some of the customers came from that partner channel. So the next stage, I will say, speaking in user groups, and then getting those things, and then slowly building up the partner channels. And I think by the time, I can't remember exactly when I started that Google paid stuff, but I won't say it's not that much. I don't say it contributed. It's not like today where you throw a lot of money in paid channels and get a lot of leads and customers. So it's very minimal, but those are all the early things.